എവ്രി വൺ. സോ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു വീഡിയോ എന്താണെന്നല്ലേ. സോ ഈ ഒരു വീഡിയോ ഞാൻ എടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി പോകുന്നത് ടിപ്സൊന്നും ആയിട്ടല്ല, ഒരു സാഹസം ചെയ്യാൻ പോവുകയാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ. സാഹസം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, ഈ കൊറോണ പാൻഡമിക്കിൻ്റെ സമയത്ത് വീട്ടിലിരുന്ന് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ബോറടിച്ച് അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവിധ സേഫ്റ്റി പ്രിക്വേഷൻസും വെച്ചിട്ട് ഞങ്ങൾ അഹമ്മദാബാദിൽ നിന്ന് ഉദയ്പൂരിലേക്ക് ഒരു ട്രിപ്പ് പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്തേക്കുവാണ്. സോ ഈ ട്രിപ്പ് പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത് കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പം ഞങ്ങളിങ്ങനെ വിചാരിച്ചു, പോകുന്നത് ശരിയാണോ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പോകാൻ പറ്റുമോ, സേഫാണോ. അപ്പം നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ സേഫായിട്ടൊരു ഹോട്ടലിൽ ബുക്ക് ചെയ്തു, അവരുടെ അടുത്ത് വിളിച്ചു ചോദിച്ചു സേഫ്റ്റി പ്രിക്വേഷൻസ് കുറിച്ച്. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും സേഫാണെന്നൊക്കെയാണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. എന്നാൽ നമുക്ക് അവിടെ പോയിട്ട് മനസ്സിലാവുള്ളൂ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് കാര്യങ്ങൾ എന്നൊക്കെ. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ വിചാരിക്കും, കണ്ടില്ലേ ഈ പാൻഡമിക്കിൻ്റെ സമയത്ത് കറങ്ങി നടക്കുകയാണോ, എല്ലാവരും കണ്ടില്ലേ ഈ വീട്ടിനകത്തിരിക്കുന്ന സമയം. അതൊക്കെ ശരിയാണ് നിങ്ങൾ പറയുന്നത്. പക്ഷേ നമ്മൾ ഒരു ട്രാവൽ ഫ്രീക്സാണ്, വീട്ടിനകത്ത് ഇരിക്കാൻ തീരെ ഇഷ്ടമില്ലാത്ത ആൾക്കാരാണ്. ഒരു വെക്കേഷൻ എന്തായാലും 1-2 വെക്കേഷൻ വർഷത്തിൽ ചെയ്യാറുള്ള, ഒരു വലിയ വെക്കേഷൻ ഒരു ചെറിയ വെക്കേഷൻ. ഈ 3 മാസം വീട്ടിനകത്ത് ഇരുന്ന് പക്ഷെ ഇപ്പം ഇച്ചിരി ലിബറലായില്ലേ. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ ആരെയും തൊടാനും പിടിക്കാനും അങ്ങനെയൊന്നുമില്ല. സോഷ്യൽ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസിങ് ഒക്കെ പാലിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഞങ്ങളുടെ സ്വന്തം പ്രൈവറ്റ് കാറിൽ തന്നെയാണ് പോയി വരുന്നത്. അത്ര ദൂരമുള്ളൂ, നമ്മൾ ദൂരെ അങ്ങനെ ഇങ്ങനെയൊന്നുമില്ല. സോ എല്ലാവിധ പ്രിക്വേഷൻസ് എടുത്തിട്ടാണ് പോകുന്നത്. സോ ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണിച്ചു തരാം എൻ്റെ പാക്കിങ്.
So I'm done with my packing. You can say that I have packed the stuffs for 3 days. You might be thinking that I might have packed a lot of stuff. No, but some essential I have just packed.
സോ നാളെ രാവിലെ ഞങ്ങൾ ഇറങ്ങും. അപ്പോൾ നാളെ രാവിലെ ഇറങ്ങിയിട്ട് എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് ഫുൾ റോഡ് ട്രിപ്പ് എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് അഹമ്മദാബാദ് ടു ഉദയ്പൂർ. പിന്നെ ഞങ്ങൾ പുറത്തിറങ്ങാതെ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മാക്സിമം ഞങ്ങൾ ഫുഡ് ഐറ്റംസ് എല്ലാം ക്യാരി ചെയ്യാണ്ട്, പിന്നെ ബാക്കിയെല്ലാം ഹോട്ടലിൽ നിന്ന് തന്നെ അതിൻ്റെ സാനിറ്റൈസ് അങ്ങനത്തെ എല്ലാ സംഭവങ്ങളും ഞങ്ങൾ എടുക്കുന്നു. മാസ്ക്, സാനിറ്റൈസർ എല്ലാം എടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഞങ്ങളുടെ റോഡ് ട്രിപ്പ് എൻജോയ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഈ കൊറോണ സമയത്ത് പോകുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് ഉദയ്പൂർ കാണാനല്ല, ജസ്റ്റ് പോയി റിലാക്സ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ബേസിക്കലി. സോ നമുക്കപ്പോൾ റോഡ് ട്രിപ്പിൽ കാണാം നാളെ രാവിലെ. ഓക്കെ.
So we have started our trip and I'm really excited for this trip. So started in the morning and it's like from Ahmedabad to Udaipur, it's almost like 5 hours journey. So we have packed our snacks, water and everything with us, and also the sanitizers and mask we are carrying with us. So like we are not gonna get out of the car for any reasons. So let's enjoy this road trip. So this is my niece Sanvi and she is also super excited. Even we are so much excited. So you know what about the kid. So we are all wearing the mask inside the car. We have almost reached to Udaipur city, the city of palaces, and the resort is out of the city. So when we entered the checkpost, they didn't ask any passes or any medical certificate. I don't know why, what happened. But in Udaipur there are a lot of sightseeing places, but unfortunately we are not able to get out of the resort because of this pandemic situation, and just we will be sitting inside the resort and just relaxing. So come, let's see how the resort is. We have entered the resort. Before entering, they have checked our temperature and we are heading to the reception area. And you can see the place is almost 100 acres and the property is like 6 years old. But they have maintained it well, beautifully, and it's such a beautiful landscape with lots of trees and flowers. So you can see it's all over, it's trees and trees only. And I'm really excited what exactly how the resort will be, how are they gonna take the safety precautions, and how are they gonna take the safety measures and everything. So let's see. This is the shoe sanitizer. So before entering the premises, we have to sanitize our shoes. Pretty impressive. So we had dropped our luggages outside near the guard also, and there is a valet parking also available. And now we are gonna sanitize our hands because the safety first, right? So most important thing is safety and keeping ourselves hygienic and keep being safe. So like it's my turn now to get sanitize my hands. So let me sanitize. So now they are checking out the temperature again, and they have marked it in a logbook for the record. Now let's complete the other formalities. Come with me. So we have to fill some self-declaration form which includes the personal details, the temperature, and also we have to download the Arogya Setu app, and also we have to mark the status in that. Even we have to mention the same status in the form which is given to us. And also one thing is that everyone should carry their ID proof, because they ask each and every person's ID proof. So how many family members are traveling with you, they also have to fill this self-declaration form including their personal details and everything. So we have already got our keys. So this is our room 406. So we have entered to our room. They have sanitized the entire room before we are checking in, and the room is pretty much big, and they even maintain the social distancing by not allocating any other rooms like near room to any other people. And also they have been taken care of each and everything, safety measures inside the resort itself. We can see that even from the sanitizing to everything, like to the next level they have taken it. So this is the balcony. They have such a beautiful balcony, and you can see that the everywhere the resort is having a trees, and trees on the trees, the plants everywhere full of greenery. So I'm so glad that in this era the people are thinking about the greenery, the green revolution, maybe you can call it as. And the one thing I have to say about the resort is that they have this beautiful white champa flowers, and the smells, it soothes, right? And this is a bathroom. So one main attraction of this bathroom is this one, and it's a natural shower. You can take an open air shower, enjoying the nature, and having a sun bathe or something like that, you can call it as, right? And it is pretty much impressive. So I'm gonna take a shower, because after this long journey I really have to take a shower. Then after that we'll go for the lunch, and we'll see sooner. And yeah, if you don't want to take this natural shower when if you are not comfortable, then you can use this regular shower. That's it. Okay, so we have already reached here. So I have shown you the whole tour of the room, and so this is the room and all. So we'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye. So after taking bath, we are heading to the restaurant Oasis. So we have booked a package of 2 nights, which includes the complimentary breakfast, the high tea, and also the dinner with the unlimited liquor from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. So we are heading to the restaurant. You can see that the walkway itself is too good, and the architecture is inspired from Balinese architecture, and they are too particular with tiny detailings. You can see everywhere. Even when we say about the architecture, or we can say about the safety precautions, everything they have maintained so well. See, you can see the meal timings, all the 3 meal timings, and some complimentary dessert thing that we can see. Now we have entered into the restaurant. You can see almost the restaurant is empty, because it's high time for us. Like it's almost the lunch time has crossed, and the buffet is also empty. So we have to order the a la carte, but they don't provide us a menu card. So they will give a picture of the menu card in the WhatsApp to avoid the contact, or you can say that to avoid like maintain the social distancing. So the yummy food is arrived. So and we are gonna have some drinks and some food together and spend some quality family time together. So see you soon and let's meet tomorrow. Bye. So it's day 2. Now we are going to have our breakfast. So you can see this vehicle in front of us. So it is to pick my in-laws because it's too long to reach to the restaurant and they can't walk this much distance. But we are gonna take a nature walk and shred some calories before having some carbs. So you can see that there are cottages in the cliff also. So this particular place is well landscaped and you can see everywhere the green and green. You can see this milestone in which they have written that 1210 steps burn like 300 to 400 calories. So we are gonna take these steps down to reach to the restaurant. I'm really excited also what all things I will be able to experience in this way to the restaurant, like the nature walkway. So you can see that my people have already left me and they have just started their restaurant trip, and also they are away from me, so I am gonna join with them. So take a walk and stay fit. I'm a bit scared to walk with this camera. Oh my god, it's a bit scary. What if I fall down? So we have found this nail. It looks so beautiful. So this is the perks of walking, you know. So we have reached near the swimming pool. You can see that no one is near to the swimming pool because it's not operating. It's closed due to this pandemic to avoid this contact or maintain the social distancing. Unfortunately, we cannot feel or we cannot swim through this water, but it looks yum, really. And they have this amphitheater and also they have the spa which is also not working. Oh, our bad actually, but still we are enjoying this beauty of the swimming pool and the other scenic beauty, and also the flowers, the smell, everything is like so refreshing and relaxing. Now we are gonna take our breakfast. So after breakfast we have reached the play area because my niece she wanted to play, so we thought that we will also spend some time here and we'll have some fun. So you can see that they have this mini golf area also, like you can see this. But what happens is like this is also is not operating because of this pandemic. What to do, misfortune hits. So this is a float bar. We came here to take our lunch, but they will only serve the starters over here. We have to go to the Oasis restaurant to take our actual lunch, like the main course. But here we are gonna take some drinks and the starters. You can see it is beautifully arranged and sanitized. I must say these people are like fabulous. So we can see in the evening. Now we're gonna have some family time. Bye.
Hi, so now we are gonna take a walk to the cliff to watch the sunset. So the person in the reception told that the sunset is very nice, you should go and watch in the cliff, but we are gonna walk. Even they provide us the vehicle to reach to the cliff, but we are gonna burn some calories and gonna travel walking. Okay, and also they told that they have a Zenith restaurant over there also, but it's not operating because of this pandemic. Very sad, right? So let's see the sunset. Bye.
Surprise! We have reached the top of the cliff to watch the sunset and the view. Oh my god, it's amazing. We can even see the entire area from this particular cliff. Oh my god, what to say? Oh man, wow, it's mesmerizing. The view is too good from here, and I would recommend do visit Ananda Udaipur. Really, look at the beauty of the sunset. Oh my god, I couldn't explain anything. I'm out of my words.
So hi, good morning. So today we are gonna watch the sunrise. So I'm getting late, so I have to head to watch the sunrise. Even I'm gonna show you people also the sunrise. So the same cliff only. We are gonna walk to the same cliff. So let's watch the sunrise.
So we have reached on the top of the cliff and watching the sunrise. Oh my god, I have to say the lighting, the weather, oh my god, the view, everything is too good and amazing. And we are gonna take some good pictures too. And I'll get some good pictures for my Instagram too. So come, let's enjoy. Come on, come with me. So we have reached back after the walk. Now gonna take some coffee in the balcony and enjoy the view. You know that as today is the last day in Ananta and I really don't want to go back and I will miss this place. So after breakfast we are just waiting to the bill get settled and also for the checkout. So I'm really sad that I'm going back, but I have to say that you must visit this place, such a beautiful place. They are taking all those safety measures, secure measures. You can see our picture, how happy we are. My god, but I'm still sad. Now you have seen those pictures, right? So this is the last picture of Ananda and we are going back. Tata, bye bye. See you soon. Maybe. I don't know. But I really wish I would have stayed here for long, but due to the situation also we cannot stay for long here. I'm really happy with their services, their cleanliness, the way they taken care of the guests. Oh my god, I recommend this resort 100%, and if you visit Udaipur, must stay here. I personally recommend. Really good place. So bye. So do subscribe my channel if you like this video, and support me and follow me in my Instagram, my FB, and share this video if it is useful to you, your friends, or you are planning for a short vacay in this pandemic. And always there for you, Roshni signing off. Bye 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 Udaipur, bye bye Ananta, and bye bye my fam. Love you all.